Is there anyone who doesn't love Beethoven's Moonlight Sonata?
No!
That's what I thought. And is there anyone who doesn't love a beautiful yet simple arpeggio exercise?
Maybe.
What?
No!
That's what I thought. And because I'm your best piano playing friend, I decided to create a simple yet beautiful arpeggio exercise just for you that is inspired by Beethoven's Moonlight Sonata. I'm going to show you how it goes, and then I'll break it down for you and teach you how to play it. Are you ready? Let's get started. All right, so you can see that we're working both the right hand and the left hand on those arpeggios. We're using white keys and black keys. So let's jump right in. We're going to start at the beginning. I'm going to show you the right hand. And the first chord is basically an F minor chord in second inversion. That means the C is on the bottom. 1, 3, 5. C, F, A flat. You do it 3 times. Okay, so let's do it. I hope you're at your piano. If you're not, run to your piano. Okay, so here we go. C, F, A flat. Now, we want this to sound gentle and flowy and kind of beautiful, so we want to make it real gentle, okay? You do that 3 times in a row, and then the 4th time you just rest on the C by itself. And then you do that whole thing again. So 3 times on the F minor triad. That's 2, that's 3, and then you just rest on that C and then pick it up. So we did the same thing 2 times. The next time, it's almost the same, but instead of being on the C, the thumb goes to D flat. The other 2 fingers stay right where they are. So we're teaching the hand different shapes to practice. It's really good for piano. All right, D flat, F, A flat, 3 times in a row. That is a D flat major triad. Okay, ready? Here we go. D flat, 1, 3, 5. F, A flat. 2 more times. And then the 4th time, I was going to say 3rd, 4th time, you just play the D flat by itself. We're almost done. The 4th pattern is now in a different spot. It's C, F, G. This is called a C sus4 chord. I do have a video that talks all about these triads. I will link it over here. Okay, so C, F, G, but we only do it 2 times. You ready? 1, 4, 5. Ready? Go. C, F, G. One more time. Now, the 3rd time, we keep the thumb on C, we keep the 5th finger on G, and instead of playing 4th finger on F, we play 3rd finger on E. That's called a C major triad, and we just do it 1 time. Here we go, C, E, G, and then you finish it on C. So this last pattern has 2 C sus4 chords and 1 C chord. Let's do the very last pattern. C, F, G, 1, 4, 5. Ready? Go. C, F, G, do it again. Now, C major triad, C, E, G, here we go. And then you finish it on C. Then you can repeat that as many times as you want from the beginning. We're just doing it 1 time here because you guys like to tune away real fast from videos. Okay, so the left hand in this first part starts on low F. So here's the middle C, here's the F below, and we're going down an octave from there. So we just do 5th finger on F, 1st finger on C, and then back to your F. Easy. On the next one, thumb is going to stay right where it is on C. 5th finger moves down to E flat. So now we're practicing a little bigger distance between the keys. So here we go. E flat, C, E flat. Okay, good. Next one, got D flat, A flat, 2 black keys. All right, we're jumping right in. Not afraid of black keys. Ready? Go. D flat, A flat, D flat. So we're using the same fingers every time. 5, 1, 5. The last one is a different pattern. 5th finger on C, 2nd finger on G, and then we're going to reach up to the next C. Let's do that last one again. C, G, C. Now, when you put the hands together, basically the left hand plays every time the right hand plays the thumb. And I'm going to throw in the pedal and show you where I'm changing it. One of the things that you should know about pedaling, pedaling is a really big topic, but to simplify it a lot, you change the pedal when you have a different chord. Okay, so we're going to put down the pedal, and when the right hand thumb plays, that's when the left hand plays. Here we go, nice and slow. I'm just going to hold my pedal down. Here's that right hand thumb, that means left hand's going to play. Holding the pedal. Here's that right hand thumb, left hand's going to play. And then everybody lifts. Pedal is still down because I want it to sound smooth. Now move to your new place, your new position. As soon as you play that first note, your pedal's going to go up, down. You ready? Here we go. Up, down. Now, the thumb's going to play. That means the left hand plays 2. Here's the right hand thumb. Left hand plays. Still holding the pedal. Now everybody picks up and moves to the new position. Okay, that is D flat major. Ready? As soon as I play, I'm going to do up, down with my pedal. I do have a pedaling tutorial, which I will link here. Ready? Go. Up, down with pedal. Here it is, the thumb. Boom, together. Still holding the pedal. Hold a pedal. Go to your new position. C, F, G. Ready? Here we go. Change pedal. Now, the next chord that's coming is a different chord. So as soon as I play the C, I'm going to go up, down with the pedal. And then if I wanted to, I could repeat that whole thing as fast as I want. I wouldn't recommend going fast until you know it. Okay, so that's the first half. Now we got to work on that left hand arpeggio. So let's learn the left hand arpeggios. Left hand's going to start on F, A flat, and C. So here's middle C. We've got an F minor triad. Here we go. You're going to play fingers 5, 3, and 1. And again, we want to be very smooth with the way you play. And that means your wrist has to be involved. Okay, lift and 5th finger. A flat, 3rd finger. 1st finger on C. Do that 2 more times. Let's do it. See if you can make it connected and smooth so you're not hopping around. And the last time, you just play the F by itself, similar to what the right hand did. Next, the A flat and the C are going to stay in the same place. Your 5th finger is going to move down to E flat. Nice stretch. Now, if you're trying to play like this, it's going to be really hard. So you want to go like that way on the keys. So you can, again, it depends on how big your hand is. But if you're doing weird shapes like that, see if there's a better way to approach it. Okay, now here we go. E flat, A flat, C. 2 more times. 3 times total. And then you just play the E flat by itself and you let go. Next is a D flat major triad. So D flat, F, A flat. So we moved away. 5, 3, 1 still. Same fingering. Here we go. D flat, F, A flat. Do it again. 2 more times, you know it. Okay, and then the last time, just play the D flat by itself. Now here we're going to have that C sus4 again, C, F, G, fingers 5, 2, 1. We're just going to do 2 of these, okay? Just like we did in the right hand. Here we go. C, F, G, one more time. Now, we're going to change that middle note to an E. Make it into a C major triad. 1 time only. Here we go. C, E, G, and then just C by itself. So that's the left hand. You want to practice it, obviously. The right hand is now going to play the long notes. Here's a middle C. We're going up an octave. We're going to start there. And first finger is going to be on C. Fifth finger is going to be on A flat. The fingering is 1, 5, 1. This is kind of the reverse of what the left hand did. 5, 1, 5. Right hand's doing 1, 5, 1. Okay, ready? Here we go. C, A flat, C. Then you do it again. It's easy. Okay, on the next one, keep the fifth finger where it is. Take that thumb to D flat. So both fingers are on black keys. Here we go. D flat, A flat, back to your D flat. Keep your wrist soft and moving. And then the last one is C, G, C. So we were here, we just moved down to the white keys. Down on the piano is that way. So C, G, C, ready, go. There you go. Now, when you put the hands together, the right hand will play whenever the left hand plays the fifth finger. All right, so find your spot, F minor triad. Right hand's going to be on C and A flat. I'm going to put down my pedal. If you're not ready to put down pedal, that's okay. Practice just the hands first and then add the pedal. That's usually how we practice anyway. Okay, so ready? Here we go. Together, now the right hand holds and the left hand plays. Here's the left hand's going to play the pinky. That means right hand's playing at the same time. Okay, here's the left hand on the pinky. That means the right hand's going to play. So I'm not doing the rhythm right now because I'm doing a lot of talking and I want you to get it. F by itself. But the goal is eventually to have a nice, steady rhythm. Okay, now, fifth finger moves down to E flat. Again, the right hand's going to play when the left hand fifth finger plays. Here we go. And change pedal. Here's that left hand pinky. That means right hand plays. And then here's that pinky again. I'm holding the pedal this whole time. Okay, now we're going to move to D flat major. Right hand's on D flat, A flat. As soon as I play, what happens? The pedal goes up and down. Here we go. And then last chord, C, F, G. C in the right hand. Here we go. Change your pedal. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Now we're going to a different chord, which is a C chord. That means we're going to change the pedal. Ready? Play. And up and down. And then you can repeat that as many times as you like, this section. If you like this exercise and you want the sheet music, guess what? I have it for you, free. And I've got hair in my mouth. You can find the sheet music at the link below. Don't go away, we're not done yet. And then we're going to end it playing Fs. I'm going to let you discover this on your own by looking. And I change the pedal and I hold it as long as I want. Then I lift my hands with a nice, beautiful flourish. So this is a really great exercise or warm-up. What's the difference between an exercise and a warm-up? A warm-up is just to kind of get your head in the game before you start practicing or playing, get the blood moving to your joints. You can also use a warm-up to level up on different skills. But in exercise, you're actually working on a particular skill. In this case, we're working on the skill of playing arpeggios smoothly and beautifully, hands together, with the right hand and the left hand taking turns on the arpeggios. We are practicing thinking ahead so that you can be on time to the next place you're supposed to be. There's a lot of really great things to be gained from this exercise, which you can also use as a warm-up. If you want to learn another warm-up that you can do just really quickly at the beginning of your practice day, then you want to check out this video over here. Keep practicing, have fun, and I'll see you soon. Bye!